Welcome back, my dear students. In marketing management course, we will divide chapter 6 for part 1 and part 2. In this chapter, and after reading this chapter, you should be able to define the product, including the core and actual and augmented product. Explain the main classifications of the consumer and industrial products. Outline the range of individual product decisions that marketeers make. Explain the purpose of branding and identify the chief branding decisions. Explain the decisions that companies make when developing product line and mixes. In this slide, we will differentiate between the product, service, and the experiences. The product is anything that can be offered in a market for attention, acquisition, use, or consumption that might satisfy a need or want. But a service is a form of product that consists of activities, benefits, or satisfaction offered for sale and are essentially intangible and don't result in the ownership of anything. So the product is a tangible thing, but the service is an intangible thing. The experiences represent what buying the product or service will do for the consumer. Here some exercise for this chapter. What's anything that can be offered to a market that might satisfy a need or a want? It will be the product. In this slide, we will discuss the three levels or the three layers of the product and service. The first level is the core customer value, actual product, and then the augmented product. The core customer value is the most important level, and then the actual product included brand name, quality level, packaging, design, features, and the augmented product layer or level have the delivery and credit, product support, warranty, after sale service. Then we will discuss the definition of these three levels. The core product is the problem solving service or core benefit that consumers are really buying when they obtain a product, but the actual product is a product's parts, quality level, features, design, brand name, packaging, and other attributes that combine to deliver core product benefits. The augmented product, the additional consumer service and benefits built around the core and actual products. In defining the product and make the classification of the different products, we should differentiate between the customer products and the industrial products. The consumer goods like the convenience goods, shopping goods, specialty goods, and the unsold goods, and then the industrial goods included the materials and parts, capital items, supplies and services, and we have the marketable offering included the organizational marketing, personal marketing, place marketing, and the social or ideas marketing. The product and service classifications include the consumer products are products and service bought by the final consumers for the personal consumption. It have four classification. The first type of the is the convenience products are consumers products and service that the customer usually buys frequently, immediately, and with a minimum comparison and buying effort, like the newspaper, candy, fast food. The second classification is the shopping products, are consumer products and services that the consumer compares carefully on suitably quality, price, and style, like furniture, cars, appliances. The third classification of the consumer products is the specialty products are consumer products and service with unique characteristics or brand identification. This is like the jewelry of women for which a significant group of buyers is willing to make a special purchase effort like the media service, designer clothes, or the high-end electronics. The fourth classification for the consumer products is the unsold products or consumer products that the consumer doesn't know about or know about but doesn't normally think of buying, like the life insurance and the blood donations. Um, the types of the product included the consumer products and the industrial products. This is the macro كده type of the products is the industrial products are products purchased for furthering processing or manufacturing or for use in conducting a business classified by the purpose for which the product is purchased, like the materials and parts, capital, raw materials. And it's an exercise of the types of consumer products include convenience, shopping, specialty, and the products. What the products are purchased frequently with a little comparison or shopping is convenience goods. Products or the consumer products with unique brand identification for which buyers are willing to make a special purchase offer is called the special purchase effort is called the specialty products. And what the products are those purchased for further processing or use in conducting a business. It's the industrial goods or industrial products. In the industrial products, there are three classifications in this major type of products like the capital items, materials and parts, and the supplies and service. The capital items are industrial products that aid in the buyer's production or operations. The material and parts include raw materials and manufactured materials, and parts usually sold directly to industrial users, but the supplies and service include operating supplies, repair and maintenance items, and the business services. Your visit to a doctor's office is an example of an intangible or pure intangible good. In this point, we have different types of the marketing, like the organizational marketing, personal marketing, location marketing. In addition to intangible products and service, marketeers have broadened the concept of a product to include other market offering, organizations, persons, places, and ideas. The first type is the organization marketing, consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain, or change attitudes and behavior of target consumer toward an organization. Business firms sponsor public relations or corporate image advertising campaign to polish their images and market themselves. It may be profit or non-profit organization. For the organization marketing, the person marketing, from its name, it's an marketing campaign or marketing promotion for a person or a special person. It consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain, or change attitudes and behavior of target consumers toward particular people, sometimes used to build reputation, like the doctors and lawyers. The place marketing consists of activities undertaken to create, maintain, or change attitudes and behavior of target consumers toward particular places or destinations. Ideas can also be marketed, like the business sites and tourism, but the social marketing is use of commercial marketing concepts and tools and programs designed to influence individuals' behavior to improve their well-being and that of society, like reducing smoking or this marketing for the smoking and the clear air. The social marketing goes well beyond the um, promotional P of the marketing mix to include every other element to achieve its social change objective. So, in the social marketing, we make the marketing promotion or the P of promotion for marketing for a social idea, like the smoking or drug talking. Uh, so in this point, we end part 1 of chapter 6 about the product and branding decisions. In the next lecture, we will discuss some product and service decisions. Its decisions may be for the individual product decision or the product line decision or the product mix decision. All these points we will discuss in part 2 for chapter 6. This will be in the next lecture. Thank you, my dear students. Goodbye.